Hey guys, welcome to another video here at Geeksla. So in this video we'll be looking on how to create a video and text effect using the Filmora video editing software. So here's a quick look into the effect. So the first thing we need to do is to create a video and text effect is to create the image in which the video needs to be played. For that we will be using, for creating the image we will be using Canva. So just Google Canva and canva.com, and since I've already logged in, I'm taken into this page, and here are all the thumbnails that we build. We build thumbnail using this tool. So just go and click on YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, so it is by default into 1280 into 720 pixel. So you usually make thumbnail using this pixel size. So once you are into there, so just add the text. So let me just go and go fast forward this area to. Once we are here, we need to change the color of this text that we have used. So we will make sure that you add green color to this text so that it is easier. The reason for this green color you will understand later in this later part of this video. So once this is done, or be creative and add any text that you want, or even you can add shapes using these elements. Like you can see, you have shapes like square. We have also circles, so you can add, and you can add a video in the circle as well. So be creative, and then once it is done, just click on download and use PG format, so JPEG format, and just click on download, and you're done. So the once the image is downloaded, you need to open Filmora and import both the text as well as the video that you want to add into the text. So I have already added the text, so I will be using this video uh, along with the text. Also we have imported. So so here is the text. It's added to the next layer in the timeline. So once added, I'll just drag it around. So as you can see, it is in green color. So the reason for it, we will for the green color is that we will be using a green screen effect, that is chroma key effect. So once you're done, click here and just click on the green part, and that part will be transparent. So you will be able to, as you can see, I have just clicked on make parts of the click transparent and clicked on the text, and as you can see, the video is visible. So after that, just click on OK. So now when you go back and play this video, uh, it should look something like this. As you can see, the video is still playing behind the text, and you can be more creative and add your own creativity into this effect. So that's it guys with this video on text in video in text effect. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content. That's it. See ya.